Everyone, and in this lecture I would like to do some basic operations on a cell which is mostly required for the analysis. So here is a data set where it contains gender, race or ethnicity, the parent level of education, like the parents how much they have studied, the lunch test preparation course. Now in this we are not going to look at these all things so much, because we'll be talking mostly about the mathematical function. There are lots of functions available, but like if you go in the formulas and you see like maths and trigono, so these many formulas are there. I will not be talking all of them, but those which will be useful to us I'll be talking to about them, and let's see how it goes. So basically first thing to understand here is a function and a formula. Previously we were using the functions. The functions are previously we were using the formulas. Formulas are those which we are defining the rules, like is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 or b1 b2 whatever, but we were defining the rules. In this one we will be talking about the functions. The functions are the formulas which are already been given by the Microsoft Excel. So these are the predefined formulas. It comes handy when it's a long range of data set. When it's 2 or 3, we can write is equal to a1 plus b2 plus b3 or whatever. But when it's long range, then things become cranky. And for that we use these functions. So the same thing, we go like straight is equal to, it starts the same. Then we write the function name. Here I have to find the total of the marks obtained by each student in math, reading and math scores, reading score and writing score. So is equal to add this we have a function called sum. Now as soon as I write first letter, you can see lots of functions over here, and which we can select as well, but we will be using sum. So if you see now, if I hit tab, then I get the formula. Now what happens basically, like most of the time, so for newbies they write sum, you got, and enter. So now it's an error. So for that reason it's important to press tab button. Now it is asking for us to write the numbers which we are supposed to add. So now if I write b2 to, now it's not going. Now again I do from here, and then I go till, so from here if I go till here. Now the thing which I wanted to say here is we can use the range thing. So if I want, in the add function, what I was doing is add this plus this plus this. So it was like, if you see, add is equal to this plus this plus this, and enter. So now I've got this, which is of like good for this thing, but in the long range it's not good. But what I can do here now, if I press sum from sum from here till here. Now if I press enter, I got the sum. Now if I drag it, I'm getting the sum. Isn't it cool? But wait a second, this data set is too long for me. 1000 and how many are there? 1003. Now I'm not going to drag this. Of course I can do this, but see how long it is. It's difficult to drag it from here till, if I go here, then maybe I can do like this, so I can go like this, but still it's of no use to waste so much of time. See, instead what I can do is, I will give you a shortcut. Go here, and double tap. Yeah, just double tap. Now the cells are filled. No issue. Oh, no issues at all. Cells are filled. Same thing what I can do with the minimum. There is a function called minimum is equal to min tab. You got the idea how the functions are working. Minimum of these three. Enter. Go here and double click and be done. See how easy it is equal to max tab here and sorry max of here till oh max of these three. Now enter. Now if I do like this and done. Now average. For the formulas we had to write the total then divided by 3. Now since we have a function for average, I'll just write the average, and from here I'll select these and enter. Here I'll go and done. Now there is one more which is like to rank a thing, which we will get a lot in data analysis. So this one is important. How to rank a thing is equal to rank average tab. Now first thing it is asking is the number. What number we want to rank? I want to rank this number. First thing we have got. Then another thing is asking is the reference. So from here till where we want to rank, till 1003, 1003, and what order. If you see it will ask for the order as well, like order ascending or descending. So you can choose whatever you want in your as per requirement, as per your analysis, but here we will be using the descending one. Sorry. Now it's been ranked, and if you press like this you got the rank. Hope you found it useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.